What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I am going to do a review on Amazon hair. I know everyone's been talking about how Amazon has had bundles lately, and my friend, one of my best friends, has been buying hair off Amazon, and I was like, sis, you know, we are used to AliExpress being the GOAT. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do a review to let y'all know if Amazon is where it's at. Is Amazon where it's at? We're gonna see. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Beauty Forever hair. So first of all, it came in this box. Pretty cute. I mean, it's fine. I chose the loose wave, body wave. What am I? I'm saying like 20 different waves. I chose the loose wave hair. So, came in this box. I have a piece left so I could show you guys because I did dye the hair just to see what kind of reaction it had. So this was the bundles before I dyed it. Hopefully you guys can get in there and see that. So, okay, first of all, I don't think this is the real texture, because to be honest, you know how you wash the hair once you get it, because it has a like smell, but it's not one of those weird chemical smells, but definitely has kind of a smell. You should just always wash your bundles anyway, just because this is from a human head. Like, well, they put it on a track in a machine, but you get the point. It's human hair. So I washed it, and honestly the loose wave texture did disappear on me. I was like, no, because the curl's so pretty, but I'm so tired of this. Is like a 1B, and I'm so tired of that color, you know. So I just wanted a new one, you know. I wanted a new color for fall. So also inside they give you some little fake lashes that I'm gonna have to pass on, and this is because they're plastic, but you know what, I'm not ungrateful. I'm not ungrateful. Thank you for Beauty Forever. Did I say Forever Beauty in the beginning? Beauty Forever for the free lashes. That was very so in style here, braided in a circle. Yes ma'am, we are protective styling right now. And then I just did rollers. These are your dollar perm rods you can get from the beauty supply. And I just used these few things on my natural hair. So I used Shea Moisture leave-in treatment, 100% virgin coconut oil. And then I used the Multicultural curls by Miss Jessie's. I've been rocking with this all summer. It's pretty decent. You need a wide tooth comb. And then I have a power mix here. I call it a power mix, but it's just in a Dr. Miracle's little drop bottle. And it has every oil known to man in here. So I believe I'll put it. This is the loose wave. And I colored it myself. I did a 30 developer and a bleach packet. And these are the results. So the inches of this hair are a 16, 18, and 20. This is how the inside looks from what I sewed. And then I used 4 clips. 1 at the top, 2 at the top, and then 2 at the bottom. They're little snap wig clips. Nothing crazy. So hopefully you guys can see this well. I'm gonna go ahead and snap these bad boys on. On my hands and rub that in. And so just take my wide tooth comb and kind of like comb it a bit. then I'm just gonna tease it. Oh! I almost knocked my wig head over. I'm just gonna tease it so I get more of that like really cute, fluffy, like SZA. I've really been liking SZA. Oh, this is kind of like a her hairstyle too. Like I guess if I kind of split it in the front. Like pull your hair up like this, and then go ahead and lay your baby hair too. There's so many different hairstyles. I could do a tutorial on that, like the different hairstyles you can get with the half wig. I probably should do that. Maybe I'll film that next. So yeah, thanks for watching.
I can't stay long just by myself. Yes, I was comfortable just by myself.